Hello everyone, welcome back to chemistry class. Today's class we are going to continue chapter 5 exercise part water. In this video we will complete keywords, tick the most appropriate answer, fill in the blanks, match the columns, write true or false, correct the false statements. Let's start keywords. Solute, a substance that dissolves in a solvent. Solvent, a substance in which a solute dissolves. Solution, a mixture of a solute in a solvent. Saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can dissolve at a given temperature. That solution is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, a solution in which more of a solute can dissolve at a given temperature. That solution is called unsaturated solution. Second, tick the most appropriate answer. First, in which of the following is the purest form of natural water? Rainwater, seawater, well water, river water. So, rainwater is the purest form of natural water. A option. Rainwater is correct. Second, which of the following is not a source of surface water? Ocean, rivers, wells and lake. Wells is not a source of surface water. Third, which of the following is not soluble in water? Sugar, soluble in water. Salt, soluble in water. Copper sulfate also soluble in water. Charcoal. So, charcoal is not soluble in water. So, which is correct answer? B. Fourth, what is a substance in which a solute is dissolved called? Water, solution, solvent, none of these. So, what is a substance in which solute is dissolved called? Solvent. Fifth, which of the following generally increase the solubility of solute in water? Stirring, heating, both A and B, neither A nor B. Stirring also increase the solubility of water heating also increase the solubility. So, which of the following generally increase the solubility of solute? Stirring or heating? A and B both correct, stirring and heating. Which of the following causes water pollution? Sewage, insecticide, oil spills, all of these. So, which of the following causes water pollution? Sewage, insecticide also, oil spill also. So, all of these. This option is correct. Again recap it. First, A, rainwater. Second, C, well. Third, charcoal. Fourth, solvent. Fifth, both A and B. And sixth, all of these. Next, come to fill in the blanks. Rainwater is formed by dash of water. Rainwater is formed by condensation of water. Groundwater comes out of the surface of earth at some places to form natural spring. Dash is known as the universal solvent. Water is known as the universal solvent. A dash is a homogeneous mixture of solute in a solvent. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of a solute in solvent. Fifth, the use of dash detergent does not cause water pollution. The use of biodegradable detergents does not cause water pollution. Sixth, rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting and storing water for future use. Next, match the column. A substance that dissolves in solvent. Solute, a homogeneous mixture of a solute in a solvent. Solution, organic forming, preventing water pollution. A solution in which no more solute can dissolve. Saturated solution, oil spills. This is water pollution. So, in front of first write B, second A, third C, fourth E, fifth A. Next, true and false. Write true or false, correct the false statements. First, rainwater contains large amounts of dissolved salt. True. Rainwater contains large amounts of dissolved salt. True. Second, underground water can be used by digging wells and tube wells. Yes, true. This is also true. Underground water can be used by digging wells and tube wells. True. Copper sulfate is soluble in water. True. Copper sulfate is soluble in water. This is also true. Fourth, heating causes a solute to dissolve faster in its solution. True. About 50% of our body is made up of water. False. This statement is false. True it. About 70% of our body is made up of water. Sixth, water is used to generate electricity. True. Water is used to generate electricity. Seventh, acid rain pollutes water bodies and harm aquatic life. This is also true. Acid rain pollutes water bodies and harm aquatic life. True. So first, true. Second, true. Third, true. Fourth, true. Fifth, false. Sixth, true. Seventh, true. So fifth is false. So first we have to write false and again true it. About 70% of our body is made up of water. So dear children, now is the time for homework. In this video we have completed keywords, tick the correct answer, fill in the blanks, match the column, true and false, correct the false statement. All this exercise you have to complete in your textbook as well as notebook. Thank you.